こんにちは皆さん、お元気ですか？ Hello, how are you? Grammar video number 13 of JLPT N4. Let's see the difference between 聞こえます and 聞けます。聞こえます This is 知覚動詞 It means perception verb. This is non-intentional perception. It means something is audible. Something is heard, but I don't try to hear something. I don't try to listen to something carefully. Something is heard. Something is audible. I can hear the sound of the waves. In this case, even I don't try to listen to something, but if I'm on the beach, I just can hear the sound of the waves coming and going, coming and going. So relaxing. Wave, 波, 波, and 音, this is the sound. So the sound of the wave, 波の音。波の音が聞こえます。波の音が聞こえます。When we use perception verbs such as 見えます, we use something が. So this particle is が. In this case, something が聞こえます。Something is audible. Oh, I can hear. Oh, I can hear the sound of helicopter. In this case, I don't try anything, but just Oh, I can hear the sound of helicopter. ヘリコプターの音が聞こえます。ヘリコプターの音が聞こえます。Oh, I hear the thunders. Oh, the thunder is audible. Thunder, we say 雷. This kanji is quite easy, right? 雨冠, it's like the rain, and the rice field. So easy one, but this kanji is JLPT N1. 雷が聞こえます。雷が聞こえます。In this case, I don't try to listen to the thunder because maybe I'm afraid. I don't like it. But I can hear. Did you hear something? No, I didn't hear anything. You see, in these sentences, in the question and also in the answer, there's no volition. 何か something, 誰か someone, どこか somewhere, いつか someday. In this case, we use か so we are not going to use が。何か聞こえましたか？何か聞こえましたか？ Nothing. 何も。In the last part of the sentence, it must be the negative form, the verb in the negative. 何も nothing. 誰も also the negative. No one. どこも or どこへも or どこにも nowhere. いいえ、私には何も聞こえませんでした。いいえ、私には何も聞こえませんでした。Now the same sentences, but in a casual way. 何か聞こえた？何か聞こえた？私には何も聞こえなかったよ。聞こえなかったよ。何か聞こえた？私には何も聞こえなかったよ。My grandma can't hear well. When someone can't hear, like a deaf person, can't hear, then we say 耳が聞こえません。耳が聞こえません。おばあちゃんは 耳がよく聞こえません。おばあちゃんは耳がよく聞こえません。All the sentences still here were with 聞こえます perception verb. Now let's see 聞けます This is 可能動詞 potential verb. 聞けます comes from the verb 聞きます to listen 聞きます and this is group 1 聞きます and so without ma and this key must change to a sound to for the 可能動詞 the potential verb. So 聞くけ聞けます So 聞けます can to be able to listen or can listen as 聞けます this is potential verb. So here my volution is involved. I can listen to my favorite music whenever with Alexa. Music 音楽 in this kanji on this is the sound 音 gaku this comes from the adjective 楽しい it means fun joyful so joyful sound or fun sound 音楽 music いつでも anytime whenever this is really useful expression to remember. Instead of いつ this is when. Then I change to where. どこ。どこでも it means anywhere. Instead of いつ then I can add 何。何 what. 何でも it means anything. So can you imagine how to say whoever, anyone? So instead of いつ then the person 誰 it means who. So 誰でも whoever. We use the particle が with in this sentence something が聞けます. So in the case of a potential verb with something が in potential verb. And in this case 聞けます. アレクサでいつでも好きな音楽が聴けます。アレクサでいつでも好きな音楽が聴けます。At last I could buy the concert ticket. I can listen to that singer's songs. At last. やっと at last. The concert ticket, just like in English, コンサートのチケット。The verb to buy, 買います。This is group 1. Then I want to change to the potential verb. So without must, this E must change to the sound of A. So 買えます。It means to be able to buy. Then I'm gonna make it I could buy the past tense. 買えました。Singer, we say 歌手。This ka, this is this kanji, and we can also pronounce 歌。it means songs. So the songs and shu. And this is te, right? Te, hand. But when we use shu, in many occasions it means the persons. So the songs and persons who sing as songs. 歌手 singer. やっとコンサートのチケットが買えました。あの歌手の歌が聞けます。やっとコンサートのチケットが買えました。あの歌手の歌が聞けます。Oh, I could listen to an amazing story. Thank you very much. A tale or story or what someone speaks. And this is 話. Only this kanji, one kanji, and we pronounce all 話 in this case. This is noun. 素敵な話。素敵な話が聞けました。どうもありがとうございました。素敵な話が聞けました。どうもありがとうございました。I'm happy just being able to listen to your voice or hear your voice. The voice, 声 just to or only to だけで In the case of the verb here, then we must use the plain form of the verb. For example, 食べるだけで only by eating. 見るだけで only by watching. 聞けます This is potential verb, but we can also use in the plain form 普通形 of 聞けます聞ける聞けるだけで just being able to hear or just being able to listen. Happiness 幸せ Happiness, this is a noun, but adding na, and this is na adjective. 幸せな happy あなたの声あなたの声が聞けるだけであなたの声が聞けるだけで幸せです。あなたの声が聞けるだけで幸せです。Today we see the difference between 聞こえます and 聞けます。But in both cases we use the particle が something が聞こえます or something が聞けます。But the meaning is different. 聞こえます without volition. 聞けます with volition. Now a quiz time with 4 translations into Japanese. And please use 聞こえます or 聞けます。1番目、I can hear the sound of rain. 2番目、Oh, sorry, I can't hear you well. Would you please speak a little bit louder? 3番目、Oh, I can hear the sound of fireworks. But I can't see. 4番目、最後です。In this my channel, you can listen to the correct Japanese. If you liked this video, please don't forget to give me like. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it so that you can continue learning Japanese with me. And if you can share my videos with your friends, that will be a great help. So please share it. いかがでしたか？今日は聞こえます。そして聞けます。この2つの違いを勉強しました。聞こえますは近く同士ですから、別に何も聞きたいと思わなくても自然に耳に入ってくることです。聞けます。こちらは可能動詞ですから、聞けます。聞くことができますと同じ意味です。可能動詞の聞けますの場合は、自分の意思が入ります。聞きたいという意思があります。このビデオが良かったなと思ってくださったら、ぜひいいねボタンとチャンネル登録忘れないでお願いいたします。そして私のビデオをお友達に紹介してくださったらとても嬉しいです。ぜひお願いいたします。このように私のチャンネルでは日本語を少しずつわかりやすく説明しています。少しでも皆さんのお役に立てるようにこれからも頑張っていくつもりですから、ぜひ応援してくださいね。ではまた次のビデオでお会いできるのをとても楽しみにしています。絶対に来てください。じゃあね。